Here's how you can turn your resume into a personal website by using Dorik. Dorik is a platform where you can create your own personal website. If you want to turn your resume into your website, this is the way to do it. First of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for Dorik. Once you're on the main Dorik website, make sure to sign in with your account, or if you don't have an account, sign up. Now this is the page that you'll see. You'll have an option to create from scratch, or you can use one of the actual templates that they have. On the left side, you'll see the template category. Here you'll need to choose portfolio because you're trying to turn your resume into your website. You'll see that a lot of portfolio templates are here. This is the easier way to create a website because you don't have to create it from scratch. Just select any of the templates that you like and you'll be redirected to this page where you can now edit the website. You can click on any text if you want to change it. You can add any elements or containers that you want. Like for example, you want to add a contact form, a counter circle, or anything that you want. If you want to edit a text, just click on it and you will be able to edit your text. This way you'll be able to add your portfolio information on here in order to make your own personal website. If you want to create one from scratch, just click on create from scratch and you'll be redirected to this page. Now here you'll need to click on add a new section and you'll be able to add any sections that you want. If you're starting as a beginner and want to create a website, I would suggest you to use one of their templates because it would save you time and it would be easier for you. This is how you can turn your resume into a personal website by using Dorik. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, then make sure to subscribe and like this video.